Bruh, let me tell you something, yeah? I've been a rock DJ in the Kenyan rock scene for 6 years. About 6 years, yeah, because my first rock event was in September 2014, and now we are about to hit September is very close. And in those 6 years of rock DJing, there are certain metal bands that everyone keeps talking about in the Kenyan rock scene. These metal bands are the most requested at rock events. They are the most requested for me to make mixes. They are the most requested. I help people get rock merchandise. Yeah, I used to work for an online t-shirt shop before the pandemic, and people used to tell me, please help me get a rock t-shirt for a metal t-shirt for this specific band. And also this list is based upon just the bands that I see people sharing music and asking me to make mixes, and also just generally talking about in my communities. All right, number 10 has to be Motionless in White. Yeah, I know it's unexpected, but Motionless in White is one of the most asked for metal bands that I see people even like requesting me to help them get merchandise for. Shout out to one Robert Kelly Ndongo. He knows himself. Yeah, I'm even going to mention some members of the Kenyan rock scene to show you that I'm not making up this chart. Robert Kelly Ndongo, and I also have a friend called Ubuntu. They have Motionless in White t-shirts. So Motionless in White is a very popular metal band within the Kenyan rock scene, and it takes my number 10 spot. Number 9 has to be Pantera. Yeah, Pantera, one of the most popular metal bands of all time, and also very popular within the Kenyan rock scene. I know this because whenever I used to do rock events before the pandemic, people used to request me to play Pantera all the time. Shout out to one Lokisoy Paris. Yeah, I'm going to mention some members I know who love Pantera. Yeah, she has a Pantera t-shirt. I once helped her secure a Pantera t-shirt, and Pantera is one of the most popular metal bands people request me to play when at events. So number 9, Pantera. Number 8 has to be Killswitch Engage. Killswitch Engage, shout out to one Judy Nabwire. I know you have a Killswitch Engage t-shirt. I know. I'm telling you, this list is based off of me talking to people and me knowing, just what they like. Yeah, Judy Nabwire, I know she has a Killswitch Engage t-shirt, and there are very many Killswitch fans, including Uyuapa. Yeah, very huge fan of Killswitch Engage, and also one of the most popular bands I used to play during events. Number 7 has to be Dead by April. Yeah, Dead by April. What? I've never seen a metal band so popular. It's even popular with soft rock people. A shout out to one Mwenda Joffrey. You know yourself, Mwenda Joffrey. Back in 2018, when I used to play at a place called Jikoni's, it was on Kiambu Road. Mwenda Joffrey used to turn up, and then he'd be like, play Dead by April. Even when I used to play at Tropez, he used to be like, play Dead by April. Dead by April is such a popular metal band within the Kenyan rock scene, and it takes my number 7 spot. 6, this one will not come as a shock, Disturbed. Shout out to one Jude Chai. I think that's his second name. I'm not sure if it's his actual name or his social media name. He has a Disturbed t-shirt. I helped him secure a Disturbed t-shirt. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, I used to work for an online t-shirt shop. They closed recently because of the pandemic. They used to sell merchandise, and I used to help guys secure some of them. And Jude, I helped him get a Disturbed t-shirt. I hope he comments. I hope the people who are mentioning will comment below, because I know they have these t-shirts. I helped them buy them. So Disturbed is a very popular metal band. Everybody knows Down with the Sickness. That song, yeah? Everybody loves this metal band, and it's one of the most popular metal bands within the Kenyan rock scene. I've never done a show where I don't play Disturbed. Now let's go to the top 5 most popular metal bands of all time according to Kenyan rock fans. Yeah? If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to give me a like and consider subscribing. When you subscribe, make sure you tap the bell icon thing. I talk about everything rock music, metal music here, and I also try to talk about the Kenyan rock scene and what fans of the Kenyan rock scene are talking about. Number 5 has to be Parkway Drive. Parkway Drive, one of the most popular metal bands within the Kenyan rock scene. Shout out to one Daniel Bizarro Wanyeki. He's my good buddy. I know he's a big fan of Parkway Drive, so am I, so are so many other fans in the Kenyan rock scene. I've never done a show where Parkway Drive is not there. And number four, number four would have to be Five Finger Death Punch. This one is not a shock. Yeah, if you are in the Kenyan rock scene, you know how popular Five Finger Death Punch is. There are number of people who tell me to even make a mix for Five Finger Death Punch. Jesus Lord, there are so many. I make custom mixes, by the way, if you don't know. If you want me to make you a mix, or if you want to get a mix for a certain band, please tweet me at Eddie Green. Yeah, I make metal bands. I make music mixes for specific bands, and people typically hire me. They pay me some money to make them a certain mix. And the number of people who requested me to make them a Five Finger Death Punch mix, there are so many. Yeah? Five Finger Death Punch is also one of the most popular merch in the Kenyan rock scene. Yeah? My fellow rock DJ is called DJ Tams. He has a Five Finger Death Punch t-shirt, and also my friend Nim Minor and also Julius. Yeah, you guys know yourselves. They have Five Finger Death Punch t-shirts. So Five Finger Death Punch takes number 4. Number 3 has to be Bullet for My Valentine, one of the most popular metal bands. That Kenyan rock fans seem to love. And I know some people say that Bullet for My Valentine is the Nickelback of metalcore because they are so popular and some of their songs are generic. But to me, Bullet for My Valentine has always been a favorite for me, and I've never done a show where I don't play Tears Don't Fall. You know that very old classic Bullet for My Valentine song? Yeah, Bullet for My Valentine takes the number 3 spot. Number 2, this one will not come as a shock. Number 2 is Metallica. Yeah, Metallica. Everybody loves Metallica. Everybody loves Metallica. I have never seen a metal show or a rock show in Kenya where someone is not wearing metal merch. I've never done a show on radio where someone is not requesting Metallica. I've never seen anyone not knowing Metallica, even non-metal heads. Even people who don't listen to metal know Metallica. So number 2 has to be Metallica. I think Metallica is very popular. So who is at number 1? Who is more popular than Metallica? Before I get there, here are some honorary mentions. These bands are also very popular in the metal scene but did not make my list because they are not as popular as the ones that I just mentioned. Honorary mention goes to the following bands: Arch Enemy. Everybody loves Alisa White Glass, but did not make it into this list. Avenged Sevenfold. Avenged Sevenfold isn't exclusively metal. I know they do hard rock, yeah, but if I'm wrong, please comment below. Avenged Sevenfold, are they exclusively metal? Or they do hard rock and metal? Just like Black Veil Brides. Is Black Veil Brides metal? Or do they do like hard rock and then do metal? I wanted to have the bands that I know are exclusively metal in my list, but those ones take an honorary mention. There's also Rammstein, honorary mention for Rammstein. And honorary mention for Suicide Silence. A lot of my friends love Suicide Silence. Suicide Silence is one of the most requested for bands during metal shows. And then honorary mention for Lamb of God. Honorary mention for Lamb of God. Honorary mention for Lacuna Coil. And lastly, honorary mention for LYT, our very own Last Year's Tragedy, which is a Kenyan metal band, Kenyan metalcore band. The reason why they are not in my list is because rock heads in the Kenyan rock scene don't know LYT that much. LYT is very popular with metal heads in the Kenyan rock scene, but not with rock heads. I was looking for the metal bands that even rock fans know about. And when I say rock fans, I mean people who are not exclusively listening to metal. Number 1, this one is listened to by rock fans, by metal fans, people who don't even listen to metal that much know this band. And number 1 has to be Slipknot, of course, Slipknot. Most popular band, metal band in the Kenyan rock scene, most talked about. People are always sharing albums, hunting me to get them metal t-shirts. Shout out to my buddy Alf Sierro, he knows himself. I helped him secure a Slipknot t-shirt. I remember the time that Slipknot t-shirt, I advertised it everybody was jumping on me wanting to get it. Slipknot is one of the most popular metal bands in the Kenyan rock scene, and takes the cup for the most popular metal band in the Kenyan rock scene. Do you agree with this list? Which is your favorite metal band? Is your favorite metal band in this list? I'd really like to know. Please comment below and tell me. I'd really like to know. I'm sure you noticed there are very many honorary mentions because there are so many metal bands that people love, but these ones are the ones that people ask me to help them get t-shirts for. They request at rock shows. They ask me to even make mixes. I see them in my rock WhatsApp group sharing songs, talking about this band. Yeah, definitely. This is the top 10. This top 10 list is exactly the band that I feel a lot of metalheads and rock heads as well, not just metal people, rock people also listen to and care about. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my list. I also did a video about the best Christian metal bands. Yeah, best Christian metal bands. If you're looking for more information about metal bands, you can find it up here on this link here. I'll leave it to pop up here, and also I'll leave it at the end screen. Alright, thank you so much for watching. You take care and God bless.